Kaya ito lahat, hindi to pabor kay Digong eh. Pagdidismiss sa kaso ni De Lima, hindi pabor kay Digong ito eh.
Binasag ni Ombudsman Martirez ang naratibo nang ilahad ang ilang desisyon ng kanyang tanggapan na tila hindi pabor kay dating Pangulong Duterte.
Hindi ko naman ikinahihiyak, hindi ko tinataptua na ako'y naging Associate Justice ng Supreme Court dahil kay Digong. Hindi ko rin itinataptua na ako'y naging ombudsman dahil kay PRRD. Kung bakit ako'y ginawang ombudsman ni PRRD ay hindi ko alam. Ako ba'y tao ni PRRD o nilagay ni PRRD para magtrabaho? When I was appointed the ombudsman, what was my first agenda? My first agenda, and the first thing that I did, was to withdraw the information pending before the Sandigan Bayan against then former President Benigno Aquino. May kaso noon si Pinoy sa Sandigan, ito yung sa Mama Sapano. I went to court, moved for the withdrawal of the information. Yan bang gawain ng tao ng isang PRRD appointee? When I dismissed the case of Laila de Lima, the bribery case of Kerwin Espinosa filed against Laila de Lima, did Laila de Lima say, ba't mo ginawa yan? Why did you dismiss? Why did you dismiss my case when you know full well that you are a Digong appointee? Why did you dismiss my case when you know full well that the San Beda community knows that PRRD ay galit sa akin? The other day, she just said, galit na galit sa kanya si Digong. So kung ako'y gumagawa ng aksyon dahil sang-ayon kung sa gusto ni Digong, bakit ko ka dinismiss yung kay De Lima? Why did I file charges against Secretary Duque with respect to family? Duque being a member of the cabinet of President Rodrigo Duterte, di ba? Why did they dismiss from the service the overall deputy ombudsman na si Warren Leong, na isa rin taga Davao, isang tao ni Duterte, appointee ni Duterte? Bakit ko kinasuhan si Lau sa family? Another guy from Davao, very much identified with the former president. For the 7 years that I have been the ombudsman, ano ba yung ginawa ko na pabor kay Digong? Mo kaya ito lahat, hindi to pabor kay Digong eh. Pagdidismiss sa kaso ni De Lima, hindi pabor kay Digong ito eh.